Hey, I'm Viv. As an adventure filmmaker, I've traveled all over the world, seen some amazing places, but also been held at gunpoint. So safety while traveling is really important to me, which led me to researching the best self-defense for women, and anyone really. And so this is how I arrived at Krav Maga.
Krav Maga is a Israeli self-defense. It was created kind of in World War II. We're not necessarily a combat sport, even though we use sparring to practice our timing and range.
That said, if things go sour, we've put together 5 techniques to help you when you're out and about traveling. At Krav Maga, we use these rubber weapons so that we can train safely without being hurt.
You might encounter these if somebody needs to rob you or sometimes take you to a second location. And I'd really suggest that if somebody asks you for money, that you give it away. And the second option is when somebody wants to take you to like a second location or move you from where you are, you have to put up a fight at that point because your chances of survival diminish as soon as you get to that second location. So things have escalated here. The person is asking you to move, get into a car or something like that, and the knife is on your back. Viv looks at me. She turns around, hooking the arm, elbowing in the face, right? And staying tight with this arm. That's to eliminate a little bit of this movement. Really hunch over, bring that elbow back, good. Okay, and that eliminates some of the movement. Okay, in this case, I would like her to attack till we lose the knife, right? So you've done enough damage till the attacker loses it. And higher level techniques, because it takes some training, we do some disarms. Okay, on this one, we have Viv with the backpack. A lot of times when we travel, we have some gear on us that actually kind of becomes part of us. It becomes a limitation and sometimes very dangerous. So Jane is going to be grabbing the backpack. Viv's going to turn with the hand up, palm heel out, throw a knee, right, push away. It's important with that elbow to be high because when you're turning, you don't really know what's going to happen. Sometimes you're not going to have all the room in the world to work, so you have to kind of get used to using close range weapons like elbows and knees. So in this case, right now I'm going to be choking Viv against this locker right here, okay? And so she's pinned and my power is really forced into the throat. So she's going to bring her hand up, drop that shoulder low, right? And put pressure on my wrist by bringing that elbow down. There you go, and throwing that elbow, replace each other, nice, and then getting out. We have Viv here, she's getting attacked by multiple attackers. While Jane is a problem, I'm actually the true problem. Coming in, I might be grabbing the legs, I might be trying to punch. Jane grabs, okay, first thing she does is make sure she hooks onto the hand so that doesn't go to the throat by chance. As I approach, she has to time it right, make sure she gets that kick involved. Boom, send me back, gives her a second to work. Elbow up, turn in, throw the knee, push away, and get your distance. We need to talk about distance. Hands out straight, arms locked out here, little hit, and then she moves away. As I move away, her hands stay high. To truly be able to defend yourself and build awareness, you're gonna have to find a place to train.
The best way to think about it is insurance. You want to have it, but never use it. So we hope this has inspired you to find a Krav Maga near you. At the very least, it will be great exercise and a confidence boost to travel the world.